Missing notifications can be frustrating, especially when you're waiting for important messages, updates, or reminders. If an app isn't sending alerts on your Android phone, the notification setting may have been turned off. The good news is that you can enable it in just a few taps and even customize how notifications appear on your screen. Follow the steps below. Step 1. Enable notifications for the app. Open the Settings app from your app drawer or tap the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Scroll down and tap Notifications, then select App Notifications. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find the app that isn't sending notifications. If you have many apps installed, you can scroll through the list or use the search feature if your device offers one. Once you've found the app, look at the switch next to its name. If it's turned off, tap the toggle to turn it on. This gives the app permission to send notifications, including messages, updates, reminders, and other important alerts. If the toggle is already on but you're still not receiving notifications, it's worth checking the app's own notification settings, as some apps let you disable certain types of alerts from inside the app. Step 2. Choose your preferred notification pop-up style. Now that notifications are enabled, you can decide how they appear on your screen. Go back to the main notifications page in Settings, then tap Notification Pop-up Style. You'll usually see two options. Brief pop-up displays a small clean notification banner with Samsung's edge lighting effect. It's perfect if you want notifications that are noticeable without taking up much screen space. Detailed pop-up shows a larger notification with more information, making it easier to read messages or alerts without opening the app. Choose the option that best matches your preference. You can always come back and switch between the two styles later. That's it, your app notifications are now enabled. If alerts still aren't showing up, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, as it can block notifications. You'll now receive important updates, messages, and reminders without missing a thing.